In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 must-have fonts you need to get that cinematic look for your personal brand. But before we get into that, I just want to quickly let you know that my name is Torsten Roscoe, and I create digital assets for short-form content creators just like you. And absolutely, if you love this cinematic editing type style, I actually have a full pack on this. I'll show you just the reels I create in just 5 to 15 minutes using this pack, which is kind of actually insane. I can edit reels in 5 to 15 minutes that look just like this, which just still blows my mind to this day. So if you want to get reels that look exactly like this, go check them out in the description. But without further ado, let's look at these 5 fonts you need. I'm actually going to be showing you 6 fonts that you actually can get, not just 5. So I'm throwing in a bonus one, but as I click into here, the first one that I absolutely love every single time I use, so you can actually see this really simple, clean, bold font, looks really good, glowed, and just this flicker effect. And if you actually want these presets really quick on like this flicker, this glow, or everything, again, it's gonna be in that cinematic editing type of style. All you have to do is come over here. I can delete this really quick just to show you how they work. And I want that flicker effect. All I have to do is come over to the cinematic flicker really quick, drag and drop it, play this now. It has that super clean flicker effect. If I wanted to add it longer, obviously you just copy and paste it, but you came here to get these really cool cinematic fonts, and that's what I'm here to deliver. If I go into the properties tab, you're gonna see that the one I use the absolute most, and I think is actually the best font style for this cinematic style, is this Montserrat. So all these fonts have one thing in common, and that's their super bold and super clean, simple look. And that's what I absolutely love. And if you're looking for the cinematic type of style, that's what you're looking for too. So I'm glad you're here to enjoy these fonts with me. I'll show you how to find these all online for absolutely free. So no need to really go like, oh no, Torsten, I can't find them. I want them, but I can't find them. I got you, man. The second one I like to use, and they're actually, you're gonna see them all right now, but the second one I love to use is this Articlic CF. So as I highlight all of these and then I change it to it, so let's just go over to here, this Articlic CF, I think I'm saying that right. I don't know if I'm actually saying that right, but if I just use the heavy font, you can see it gives it really clean look. I love this style, it looks absolutely amazing. You don't have to use the heavy. I like to actually switch between, not the thin, that's a little too thin, like the demi bold, and then if you, let's say I wanna have this 6+, make this super heavy, so we can just go into here and hit heavy. Now it looks actually a little cooler. Or you can actually combine these. I love to combine these fonts because they're all pretty similar, but they have really cool styles for each and unique parts for each of them. The second one I love to use is this Basic Sans. So as I click into here, you can see it's this Basic Sans. This one has a super nice black type of style. You can see it has this really clean kind of look. They all kind of look the same, but obviously they're not the exact same. Again, you can use this kind of semi-bold or regular if you want. And then the next one I love to use is this Indivisible. You can see that it's a little light, but if I hit bold, this one kind of is the exact same as that Basic Sans. Just this one looks, I think, a little cleaner. I like how the tips of it is just a lot sharper than the other one, and it's more like a cartoon. The next one I absolutely love to use is this Comment. So if you see in the top right, it says Comment, and this one has a super cool kind of look. If you actually put these two all bold, it has this really cool cartoon look that I actually really love. This, if you combine this and use this as like a highlight type of style and only use this for certain keywords, it looks really cool. This next one I love to use is called Cranto, and this one actually has this really cool inline. So if you hit the black text italic and you use the inline, it has this really cool effect. You can see actually in my other video, I'll pop up the reel right now. I use this inline type of cool for my hooks, and it looks absolutely sick. And if you don't want that, obviously you can just come over to here and do the black text normal. It looks super clean and aesthetic. those are absolutely all of my favorite ones I like to use. And of course, you're probably wondering now, where do I get these? And now let's go find out where you can get them right now. And the first website I love and use to find majority of my fonts, if I can't find them on here, then I go to my second website I'm gonna be showing you, is Adobe Fonts. Now, this doesn't absolutely work on everything. Adobe Fonts only allows you to use them in Adobe supported apps, so like Lightroom, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, but it doesn't work for, like, example, Google Docs, Google Sheets. You can't download it off of Adobe Fonts, and that's why I use this second website, which allows you to use in every single app. But for starters, you can just kind of look over the Adobe fonts. All you have to do obviously is just search up any of those. So if I want Montserrat, so I just type in M-O-N-O, Montserrat right here. You just click on it, boom, it comes up. All you have to do is hit add to family, and now it added it already to your Premiere Pro. So just restart your Premiere Pro, and boom, you have this Montserrat. You can use it in where I just showed you, and you can get all the other ones onto here too. But the second website I love to use is this website called dafont.com. This website gives you an extremely good free fonts that you can find all over the internet. And the best part is you can download these straight onto your computer. So you can use this in Google Docs, Google Sheets, Grammarly, texting, anything, any app you want to use, and you can actually use your own fonts. You can use these fonts, so it's a really great way to really just kind of delegate your brand and have every single word that you type out of your brand use the exact same font, so people already know that it's you every single time. But as you can scroll through here, all you have to do, if let's say I wanted this Akira font right here, all I have to do, I can just download it by just coming over here, hitting download. You don't have to click on it. Akira Expanded is actually a super good font. I see a lot of content creators using, so there's actually another bonus, that's 7. Just hit download, it's gonna download it. All you have to do now is just open the zip file like so, come into here, double tap on it if you're using Mac. I don't know how to do it on Windows, but I'm sure you guys can find out. It's super simple and easy. Just download it on Mac by double clicking, hit install, and now, boom, I already have this downloaded to my computer. Now I can use this in anything I want. That's why I love Dafont so much. And if you guys actually want to learn how to get this really cool cinematic editing type style that I showed you in the beginning of this video of all those reels, go click this video right over here where I demonstrate how I created this reel from the beginning to the end, step by step with you, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.